Here we are, this time with the imperative with IR verbs. Regular, nerdy IR verbs. It is imperative that you follow my command, my rules, my suggestions. In the imperative mood, we have to use the present tense of you, which in French there are two of, tu and vous, and we, which is the nous. We use those conjugations, but we drop those subject pronouns, the tu, the vous, and the nous. Here we are looking at the regular, nerdy IR verbs, which is a much smaller group than the ER verbs, which is an enormous group. Let's conjugate the whole of ralentir in the present tense to remind ourselves of the pattern. To slow down. Je ralentis. Tu ralentis. Ils, elles, on ralenti. Nous ralentissons. So with the regular IR verbs, we have this issing around bit for the plural conjugations, the nous, the vous, and the ils, elles, they conjugations. Vous ralentissez. Ils, elles ralentissent. Now we only need 3 of these for the imperative, but we have to drop the subject pronouns. We do not need tu, we do not need nous, and we do not need vous. So if you want to tell someone to slow down, you say ralenti if you're addressing tu, or you say ralentissez if you're addressing vous, or let us slow down is ralentissons. How would you say then, using tu? Slow down a bit. Ralentis un peu. And the same again, slow down a bit, addressing vous. Ralentissez un peu. Okay, so with nous and vous, we've got the ISS in the middle. Let's slow down a bit. Ralentissons un peu. Here are some other nerdy regular IR verbs in the present tense. So we've had ralentir, which means to slow down. Finir means to finish. Obéir à, it means to obey. So we have a doggy, sit, or a robot, obeying. In French, it's followed by the preposition à. In English, there isn't a preposition. Sometimes this happens. Désobéir à, to disobey. Again, in English, there is no preposition, but there is in French. Choisir, to choose. Réfléchir à. So it does mean to reflect on. So it can mean to consider, to mull, or to think something over. Remplir can mean to fill up, like to fill up a glass or a cup, or to fill out, as in to fill out a form. To finish is finir. How would you say finish it? Right, we are using our direct object pronouns. It will be finis-le if you're referring to something masculine like un sandwich, or une salade, finis-la. If you are addressing vous, finissez-le or finissez-la. Finish them, les petits pois par exemple. Finis-les or finissez-les. To obey, obéir. You've got this funny EI in the middle, but the E has an accent on, so it's the I kind of accent. Obéir à. Remember, it is followed by the preposition à. In French, there isn't one in English. Obey him. So in French, it is obey to him because of this preposition à. Obéis-lui, obéis. You've got 3 syllables. Obéis-lui. Obey her. Now it's to her, isn't it? So it's the same. Obéis-lui. Obey him, addressing vous. Obéissez-lui. Obey her, still using vous. Oh, same again. Obéissez-lui. Obéissez, obéissez, obéissez. Let's obey them. To them. Obéissons-leur. Obéissons, obéissons. Let's not obey them. Remember, the leur now has to come before in the negative command. Ne leur obéissant pas. Obéissant, obéissant. To disobey. Désobéir à. Désobéir à. Don't disobey me. Negative command. The indirect object pronoun will go before the verb. Ne me désobéis pas. Désobéis. If you're using vous, ne me désobéissez pas. Désobéissez. What a mouthful. To choose. Choisir. Using tu and your one is masculine. Choose one quickly. Remember, we drop the of them. Choose one of them. What is the of them in French? The donkey's backside. Choisis en un. Vite or vite fait. Quickly done. Okay, donkey's backside is en from en. Using vous and your one is masculine. Don't choose one yet. Negative command. N'en choisissez pas un encore. Let's choose 3 of them. This is a mouthful to say. Choisissons-en 3. Choisissons-en 3. The verb to reflect on, to consider, to mull or think something over. Réfléchir à quelque chose. Think a bit, addressing tu. Réfléchis un peu. If you want to say think about it a bit, the about it, réfléchis-y un peu. Okay, we have the donkey's mouth. E-on, E-on. If you want to say the same thing addressing vous, another mouthful, réfléchissez. Réfléchissez-y un peu. Let's think about it a bit. Réfléchissons-y un peu. Whew. Damn donkey. To fill up or to fill out. Remplir. Using vous. Fill out this form, please. A form is un formulaire. Remplissez ce formulaire, s'il vous plaît. Let's fill one of them out. Your one is masculine. Remplissons-en un. That is donkey talk, isn't it? Oh, Using tu. Don't fill up the glass too much. This is one of my mother's pet hates, when people put too much wine in a wine glass. Only a third of the way up. Ne remplis pas trop le verre. Why bother? You have to keep filling it up then, don't you? Okay, some more regular nerdy IR verbs, the ones that are in the present tense. We have agir, which means to act or to take action. Agir. Réagir, to react. Envahir, silent H of course. Okay, en as in invade or to take over. Envahir. Guérir, guérir. Okay, to heal. Saisir. To saisir le jour. To seize as in carpe diem, seize the day. Applaudir. No points for that one. To applaud. Let's practice. Pratiquons un peu. To act, to take action. Agir. Let's take action quickly. Agissons vite, vite fait. Quickly done. To react. Réagir. Don't react like that using vous. Ne réagissez pas comme ça. A fancy word for comme ça is ainsi. You'll see it a lot in literature. Ainsi. It's the same as comme ça. To invade or to take over. Like in, on, va, silent H, envahir. Let's invade them. Envahissons-les. To heal. Guérir, guérir. Using vous, heal me. Guérissez-moi. To seize, and it also means to grab, to enter, or to understand. Saisir. Vous me saisissez? Do you understand me? Do you get me? Let's seize them. Saisissons-les. To applaud. Applaudir. Don't applaud me, using vous. Ne m'applaudissez pas. So your me, your pronoun, has to go before the verb in a negative command. Okay, new verbs. Élargir, largir. To enlarge, expand, widen, broaden. Agrandir. Okay, grand means big or tall, to make bigger, to expand, to extend. Avertir. Okay, it doesn't mean to avert, it means to warn or to notify. Franchir. France, like France, la France, franchir. It means to cross or to overcome, to break through, to get over. Think of it as getting over a barrier. Franchir. We're going to get over that France border. To enlarge, to expand, widen, broaden. Think of large, enlarge. Élargir. The word for width in French is la largeur. La largeur. The adjective wide is large. C'est large. Using tu. Enlarge the screen of the tablet. Screen is écran. Tablet is une tablette, as in an electronic digital thing. Élargis l'écran de la tablette. To make bigger, expand, extend. Agrandir. Used a lot for extensions. Let's extend the living room. Agrandissons le salon. Some people say le séjour. To warn, to notify, that funny one. Okay. You need to avert yourself. Avertir. Using vous, notify them straight away. Avertissez-les tout de suite. To cross, overcome, break through, get over some kind of barrier. Franchir. Let's get over the wall first. Franchissons le mur d'abord. Our last 4 verbs are pronominal verbs. Se salir, to get oneself dirty. Se réunir, so rather than reunite, although it helps you to remember, it means to meet up or to get together, a gathering. Se rafraîchir, okay, you need a fan or some ice to get cooler, to refresh oneself. Se bâtir, think of bâtiment, to build oneself. So what was to get oneself dirty? Se salir. Using vous, don't get yourselves dirty. Ne vous salissez pas. To meet up, get together, having a little gathering, a reunion. Se réunir. Let's get together at Julien's tonight. Réunissons-nous. Now you hook on the reflexive pronoun with a hyphen. Réunissons-nous chez Julien ce soir. To get cooler, refresh oneself. Fan or some ice. Get fresh. Se rafraîchir. Woo, let's cool off a little. Rafraîchissons-nous un peu. To build oneself a building, un bâtiment, se bâtir. Let's build ourselves a cabin in a forest. Cabin is cabane. Forest, take out the S, put on a circumflex accent. Forêt. Bâtissons-nous une cabane dans une forêt. D'accord, révisons un peu les verbes. What's to slow down? Ralentir. To finish. Finir. To obey. Obéir followed by a in French. To disobey. Désobéir à. Don't forget your a. To choose. Choisir. To reflect on, consider, mull or think something over. Réfléchir à. To fill up, fill out. Remplir. To act or take action. Agir. To react. Réagir. To invade or take over. Envahir with a silent H. To heal. Guérir. After a guerre, war, you need to heal. Merci, Jill, for that one. To seize, to grab, to enter, to understand. Did you get it? Carpe diem, seize the day. Saisir. To applaud. Bit of comedy French, just add on IR. Applaudir. To enlarge, expand, widen, broaden. Élargir. To make bigger, expand again, to extend. Agrandir. To warn or notify. Avertir. To cross, overcome, break through, or get over a barrier. Now we have the pronominal, regular nerdy verbs. To get oneself dirty. Se salir. To meet up, get together. Reunite. Se réunir. To get cooler, refresh oneself. Se rafraîchir. To build oneself. Que building, un bâtiment, se bâtir. Bravo les amis, there you have a small little group of nerdy IR verbs using the imperative mood. Merci, à la prochaine fois.